hungry. What should I eat? If I'm not mistaken, there is a stall nearby. Before you visit any food establishment, you have to make sure they are following Food Act 1983 guidelines. Hi, my name is NAJLA. I am going to explain about Food Act 1983 Section 13, Food containing substances injurious to health. Any person who prepares or sells any food that has in or upon it any substances which is poisonous, harmful, or otherwise injurious to health, sentenced to fine not more than 100,000 ringgit or imprisonment not more than 10 years or both. I heard a supermarket in Melaka sold food products that are already expired. Not only that, the products are not labeled, dented, and moldy. What? That's terrible. What happened next? The health department seized about 9,000 of their products worth more than 60,000 ringgit. Other than that, I also heard there are food products that uses poisonous ingredients. Wow, you sure knows a lot of news. Of course, because I don't want to consume food that is bad for my body. Tell me, what are the poisonous ingredients they use? A study found out that there are 3 out of 4 honey brands that are fake. If this happens in Malaysia, based on the Section 13B, adulterated food, they can be convicted with a fine of not more than 20,000 ringgit or imprisonment not more than 5 years or both. A lot of food producers of belacan uses rhodamine B to make the color of their belacan becomes more redder. However, this is against the law. Based on the Section 13C removal of food from food premises, if this happens, they will be convicted with a fine of not more than 100,000 ringgit or imprisonment not more than 10 years or both.
Hi, my name is ALWANI binti ADNAN. I am second presenter. I will present about section 14, 15 and 16. I will explain about prohibition against sale of food, not of the nature, substance or quality demands. In section 14, any person who sells any type of food whose quality ingredients are requested by the buyer and officers and can be punished by imprisonment for not more than 5 years and can be fined or both. Okay, next, what is labeling? Labeling is include any written printed that present on the label, accompanies the food or is displayed near food. Okay, in this section, if a standard has been set for any food, then the person who packs, label or advertise any type of food that does not meet the standard and the food is misleading, the person involved may be convicted and can be imprisonment not more than 3 years and fined or both. Okay, next, what is false labeling? False labeling is any party that sells or distributes any product which false characteristic or mislabel the content of utilities of the product faces significant liability both in civil and criminal. Okay, next, we move to section 16, which is false labeling. In this section, any person who prepare, packs, or labels food in a false manner or disease in nature, type of value with any regulation, made and commits and offense shall be liable to imprisonment not exceeding 3 years or fine and both.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is UMIRA binti NGAMER. My number matric is 17DHF18F2041. I'm a third presenter. Will present about section 17 until 18, which is advertisement and power of court to the order listing to be cancelled and food to be disposed of. And first, section 17 is advertisement. Number 1. A person who promote the sale of food or publish if either of his own violation of the another whether the agent of the product any advertisement relating to it may cause the public to believe that the advertisement is related to the food. And the second is person who posts any advertisement which does not contain a statement describing the real name of the person by or on whose behalf the advertisement or broadcast and the address of the place of business commit an offence and is sentenced to the imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years to a defined or both. Issue related to this section is from a newspaper article that wrote advertising of a banana milk product for a declaration is prohibited in violation of the act. The dairy product has made advertising about the product saying the product can help on lower high blood pressure, help remove toxin from the body, and reduce obesity. Such advertising is not permitted and has violated the Food Act 1983. The Malaysian Ministry of Health has taken action against those who distribution the product. And the last one is Section 18. Number 1. When a person is convicted of an offence under this act, the court may be revoke any license issue to that person under this act. Number 2. If convicted of an offence, the court may order that any food of a similar kind of belonging to the convict be forfeited, and upon such order the food may be disposed of direct by the court. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, I will be passed to the last one presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is INTAN FARENNA binti ABDUL HALIM. Number matric F2021. Today I want to present about section 19 until 21. Situation 1 is a situation about analyze and research the sample of food. Situation 2. This is about analyzing and analyze. This is analyzed and is sent to the director with time frame. The person is handling this is a pegawai teknologi makanan. Situation 3. This place is laboratory. The process of food sample that will be analyzed after result will given. Situation 4. After the process under this act, a certificate of analysis purporting to be the signed by the analysis shall be accepted as a prima facie evidence. For the last situation, the court will determine whether could be or court may order independent analysis. That's all from us. Thank you.